Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by prepping both devices. Plug the Hesh ANC into power and charge for at least 20 minutes so battery stability avoids pairing drops. Once charged, press and hold the power button for about 3 to 5 seconds until the LED starts blinking. That indicates the headphones are in power mode and ready to pair. While they're powering, make sure your phone or computer has Bluetooth enabled and is within 3 to 5 meters, so signal strength stays strong during the initial handshake. Once the headphones are on, put them into pairing mode by holding the power button longer, around 7 to 10 seconds, until the LED alternates colors, which signals Bluetooth discoverability. Next, open Bluetooth settings on your device and scan for nearby devices. You should see Hesh Anchor or a closely related model name. Tap to connect. If the source requests confirmation or a passkey, accept the prompt or enter 0000. This completes the secure link, so audio and controls map correctly between devices. To finalize, play audio and ensure sound routes to the Hesh ANC and that playback, volume, and microphone behave as expected. This verifies profiles like A2DP and HFP are active. Toggle the ANC control to confirm noise cancellation is working and adjust phone volume, not just headphone controls, to avoid clipping. If connection fails, reset the headphones by holding power and a volume control for about 10 seconds. Then repeat pairing. This clears stale pairings and usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.